Oh, there it goes. Oh my God.
Holy Toledo.
Whoa, look at that thing go.
I thought that rocket was not that small.
Whoa, that is incredible.
Look
at that thing go.
Looks like a shooting star.
Like a shooting star? Yeah. Wow. That is so bright.
I just want the beauty of before. I remember beauty, 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 beauty.
What do you think, Oku? Is that cool?
Mom, about that?
Yeah. Oh, Mom's watching it. She's closer than we are.
She's like right there.
Yeah, she's on the launch pad. Well, you can hear it. Here comes the sound. Oh, that's crazy. No, I don't think he's going into space. Yeah. I mean,
Maybe he could throw his head.
he's gonna throw his hat on the head?
And it'll be a flag. And
Maybe. Yeah, it does look like a meteor shooting.
Wow.
Let's see if I can get a video.
Is that really a person?
No people on that one.
And who's controlling that?
That's a good question. I have no idea, to be honest.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh. Where'd it go?
Yeah, where did it go?
Huh. Maybe, oh, there it goes.
So tiny.
Starting a smaller engine now.
Why is it so tiny?
Dang, that is crazy. I don't know why it's so tiny.
That's so tiny.
Is that a star or I can't even tell? No, that's it.
Oh, that's the rocket.
Yeah, that's the rocket.
Why is it so teeny tiny?
Because it's super far away. That was crazy.